Hi, I'm HondaPro Jason. Today I'm going to walk you guys around the award-winning Honda Accord. So follow me and let's have some fun. Starting with the front end, look at this bold and aggressive styling with that huge Honda H. And did you know that all Honda trim levels come with Honda Sensing Standard? There's a sensor on the bottom that's going to read how far the car is in front of you and a camera in the windshield to read the road lines. And to make sure you can see a little bit better at night, all Hondas have LED headlights. This one has LED high beams and low beams. You get LED turn signals, LED daytime running lights, and LED fog lights. And just to make sure you don't get too close to the garage door, you also have parking sensors in the front and the rear. Every Honda Accord trim level comes standard with Honda Sensing. Honda Sensing includes collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control with low speed follow, lane keep assist, and for the first time, traffic sign recognition. And now, under the hood of this bad boy, every Honda Accord has gone turbocharged. This one here is a 2-liter turbocharged engine with VTEC, putting out 252 horsepower and 273 foot-pounds of torque. And that's mated to a 10-speed transmission. Now you may be wondering what happened to Honda's V6. You'll be happy to know that this one is actually quicker and gets better gas mileage. Let's talk about the styling. The Accord is now wider and lower for better handling. They've extended the wheelbase so you have more room inside, but the overall length is a little bit shorter, and the Accord is rolling on these awesome looking 19-inch alloy wheels. I love the side mirrors on the new Accord. They fold forward, they fold backwards, they have turn signals integrated inside and a blindside indication right in the mirror. With Honda's keyless access fob, you can have the fob in your hand or your pocket. To enter the vehicle, you simply put your hand inside the door handle and the doors unlock. When you're ready to leave, you simply take your finger and brush it against the sensor and the doors relock. Filling the new Accord up with gas is simple with Honda's new capless fuel system. With the doors unlocked, this gas door is unlocked and you simply fill it up with gas. But when the doors are locked, for added security, this gas door is also locked. Now, let me show you some cool things in the back of the car. Inside the trunk, a class-leading 16.7 cubic feet of storage. But that's not all that's going on back here. We also have LED brake lights, LED tail lights, parking sensors, dual exhaust, and a multi-angle rear view camera. Now, let's check out the inside. Sitting inside the cabin of the new Honda Accord, looking around, this thing has a ton of room. Headroom, leg room, shoulder room, front seat, back seat, it's amazing. And the comfort, 12-way power adjustable front seat with cooled seats and heated seats. This thing has everything, and I haven't even gotten into the tech yet. A head-up display that shows not only your speed, but also the speed of the road you're traveling on, a compass with turn-by-turn directions, your sensing technology, even a tachometer, dual climate control, audio controls on your left, your sensing controls on your right, this beautiful 8-inch touchscreen that has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 2 USBs, and 4G LTE hotspot, and inside here you have your wireless charger. I hope you've enjoyed my video walk around of the new Honda Accord. As always, I'm the Honda Pro, and now you're in the know.